Hello, good afternoon everyone. Once again, this is Tita's channel. I show you my BGs here. This is my bio garden. It's very beautiful. It's a very healthy. And I have here, I put some protection because I afraid the dog will climb. Because we have a lovely doggy, but sometimes he like to search what is there behind. And I have here also, this is a mixed lettuce. This is a red Batavia. Here the same. I put some protection. And I have also a romaine here. And my nursery over here, I will plant this within 2 weeks from now. I have my lovely doggy, Puli. And look at this melon here. This is a honeydew. Or apple. This is an apple green. It's a very tiny apple, but it's a lot of fruit. Massive fruit. This is my eggplant. My bell pepper. It came red now, huh? Ano, it's a espada. We call this espada. A chili. I will go upstairs. I will do some ironing. Baby, you bring my charger, Siri. Because I will iron upstairs. My charger is there. This is it's so funny, this one. You bring Siri? Sa Sophie, sa Sophie. This is for my YouTube. Be careful the glass. Bring it there upstairs because I will go iron there. Ali, di pisto. Bring this one, Siri. And we bring this, baby. Baby, help me, baby, please.
I like to make rigol. Ada rigol. But I hang like you hang.
No, Kamsa, regard. It must be here. You will break that. It's like that, oh. It's never like that, sir.
I know how to dance.
I don't know the partner. Their partner. Bring this one like that. There, I bring the charger.
Bonjour everyone. Kumusta ba?
Ali, you go.
Hello.
Hi. Punta tinda sa Dubaol because that's the place I will iron. Puli, uni ba?
Bali! Ani ba, Masi?
Ali, uni ba, uni ba? Ali, uni ba law?
Ani dala, Masi? Ani uni ba? Gaba mamo.
Ali, biya, biya. Biya. Oh, papa. Ali. We have to peel if it's raining, ha? Ali, baby. Close the door, baby. There in the entrance because today is a birthday of Polly. No, I will make him shower total. I will iron first. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Bye.
Découvrez le Skoda Enyaq 100%